The ultimate checklist to become a Forex trader. Now you know what qualities you need. It's time to understand how to be a Forex trader from a practical standpoint. Find the right broker. Choosing the best Forex broker will make all the difference when it comes to benefiting from quality of user experience, reliable client support, and competitive pricing. Know how trading capital works. As a Forex trader, you must understand margin and leverage. Margin allows a trader to open leveraged positions, meaning greater exposure to the market with smaller capital outlay. Newer traders often look at unused margin as buying power and therefore tend to be too aggressive on their position sizing. Leverage maximizes gains and losses, making your account equity quite volatile. Regardless of the amount of leverage your broker offers, we suggest using little or no leverage in your trading. Start with a demo account. Practice with a demo account to familiarize yourself with the markets. From here, you can build and refine a trading strategy, get comfortable with your chosen platform, and build the confidence you need to trade real money. Take the plunge. Trade small with your real money account at first, and work your way up. Trade with risk management protocols in place, using stop losses, and only trade when you have undertaken in-depth analysis, whether trading fundamentals or technicals or both. Never stop building your knowledge and character. Winning traders never stop learning and building their expertise on key markets. You should know your selected currency pairs inside out, which technical factors are relevant, and how market events shape the movements of certain pairs. Recording your trades in a trading journal will help you assess your performance and be in a position to constantly review and reassess your approach. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.